afternoon, guys. How's everyone doing today? Today I'm making my own vegan chicken nuggets, and these are the ingredients that I'll be using. Italian breadcrumbs, garbanzo beans, artichoke hearts, and hearts of palm. I put them in my food processor, and I season them with onions, minced garlic, breadcrumbs, had a half a cup of cornmeal, and 2 teaspoons of rice wine vinegar. I use some liquid smoke, salt and pepper, and nutritional yeast, and 24 herbs and spices. And this is what it looks like once I got it all seasoned and ground all up. I got to shape them into the form of a nugget. And this right here is the coating, and this is the breading. This right here is soy milk, a teaspoon of hemp seeds, and salt and pepper. This right here is cornmeal, flour, and paprika. As soon as I get them rolled all out, guys, and shaped into the form of a nugget, I'll be back. Alright, guys, I'm back. These are my last two I got rolled. I almost forgot that I needed to show them. These right here are cooking. These are the ones that are already cooked. And I'm frying them in grapeseed oil. Going for a closer look. These are my vegan chicken nuggets, made from artichoke heart and chickpeas. They look pretty good, and I taste them. They taste pretty good too. My first time making chicken nuggets. These vegan chicken nuggets. This is my first time trying this recipe. Turned out really well. Alright guys, let me get these last two fried up, and I'll be back. Okay guys, here we go. This right here are my vegan chicken nuggets, made using artichoke heart and chickpeas. This is how it look on the inside. They look just like a piece of chicken. And actually tastes good too. This right here is my JV Soulful Sweet and Sour Sauce, made by our administrator Jeremy Burton. This is some awesome stuff. I love it, and it's vegan. This is the sauce. And they said we had to have a drink. I have a margarita. I have a strawberry margarita. Got a strawberry in there. Alright guys, what you think? I got my chicken nuggets topped with parsley, dried parsley, fresh parsley. Alright guys, have a great weekend. Stay safe. Let's go in for one last look. This is the sauce. It's got the right amount of heat, sweet, and tang. I love it. I am in love with it. Let's look at my nuggets. right, guys, stay safe.